Hey.
Hey. What do you think?
Love it.
We're starting it. We got the first 2 layers started. Of course, as you can see, we cut it off, staggered it.
It's beautiful. We got trim to go everywhere.
Yeah, trim will go all the way around here and along the sides.
I love how it looks different colors. This way it looks really gray. Now if I look at it from the other way with the light, it brings in some of the orange from the cupboards and it looks more of a brown.
More of a brown. Yeah, more of a brown.
It's really neat.
I also love how it goes from light
to dark.
to dark.
Yeah, there's different. Oh, it's gorgeous.
And then the next one that's going to go down. You can see is this one.
Okay. And then that one. Sorry.
Right there.
Push it real good.
Right along the edge
Push it.
there.
Push it real good.
And then you can't even see the seams.
No, you cannot see the seams. Like, you can see the seams between the boards that way because they're different boards, like, but you cannot see. That's incredible. Long way.
But you have to remember too, even if you can see a little bit of a curve
Well, you
here,
kind of want to a little bit,
because
but that's fine.
this here is sticky and sticky,
Yeah,
nothing's going to get through.
Yeah, that's awesome.
And then with your roller, just kind of pressing all that down,
Roll it down.
rolling it down, making it really nice. Firm.
It's gorgeous. Look at the whole floor just moved. Because it's a floating floor, right? It doesn't get glued down.
It doesn't get held down except for like your trim around.
Yeah.
But once you get like the 4th or 5th row down, it doesn't move.
Well,
as
yeah, it
much.
starts getting heavier.
Because I think we're going to be having more of a longer space.
Right,
Because,
right.
yeah. Because once we're around the steps, we'll have the whole length.
Right.
Which is going to be a lot of fun.
That's fun.
And then it'll be going really, really quick.
It's going pretty quick now. You've got quite a bit done. So, do you want to tell people what happens to our table?
Oh, as you can see, we had these, pardon my language, little ass anchors
120-pound anchors
in the wall.
that just fell out.
They just kind of broke out. So we went and we got these anchors.
Yeah.
So you know how the guy told us to use it?
Yeah.
Let me back up and
Demonstrate a
explain.
little bit here.
He said, see your screw? Take it in and push it through. And it'll shove this in, and then you put it in, and then you screw it in. And that's how he demonstrated we do it.
No.
Now, we get home, we find out that's not how you
And
do
I'm
it.
the one trying to do it, and I'm going, these aren't going to go through the wall this way.
Because, of course, this
No.
is all spread out this way.
Yeah.
What you do is you fold it this way.
Yeah.
You fold it in.
Yep.
Then you've got, whenever you put it in the wall, it butterflies out. And then
Your
your
screw
screw pushes this back out.
Yeah.
And it connects to the back of the wall.
So that's what we have in there now. I'm just waiting for him to get the floor in so I can put the table back up. But that's why the table's not there.
Yeah.
I wasn't going to show them until I realized we were filming, and I was like, oh, the table's gone. They're going to figure that out,
Well,
man.
we could have told them we had to take it down to install the floor.
But
Yeah. It folds down, so there's no sense in that. So
yeah, no, this morning,
everybody would have been calling bullshit.
yeah, I put a few things on it, and I was like, the side started getting loose, and I was like, oh no. And then I realized that it could just fall right out.
Just put a few things on the table, and I'm glad we didn't move in and put a computer and
Yeah, well,
all of our
that's what I
stuff
said.
on it.
All right, back to the floor, dear.
Back to the floor. I'm procrastinating enough.
Okay. Good. Third row. Pretty good.
Very, very pretty. I'm very pleased with
I am too. It looks really good.
And you can tell the floor is actually, it's not as,
No, it's starting to stay in place a little more.
yeah.
If you ever go over big bumps, the whole floor is going to go.
I can't wait till the first bump.
I know, all of a sudden you look behind you and it's like, oh, the floor
The
is...
floor is like
no.
a magic carpet.
It's pretty.
It's looking very good.
Love it.
And I'm loving how it's staggering.
Yeah.
Can't complain. See a little bit.
Alright. Got a little bit further here. Loving it. Got the table hung back up. Really nice. That's not going anywhere now. Floor's looking great. I'm feeling good about the floor. So the trim, we were going to paint like a gray or a black, put it back in. But I'm really liking the contrast in the colors, and so I think we're going to leave the trim that color. That color. The contrast is really neat. So, but coming right along. All right. So Aiden's been working his butt off. Look at this. Doing an amazing job. Still got the bedroom to go, which isn't a big deal. And I think the bathroom, yeah, still got to do the bathroom. Looks amazing. Loving it. I put the molding back in, and I left it the original color because I really like the contrast between the gray and the color. And Aiden's working on getting the tile underneath the slide. Fun part. Huh?
Fun part, but I don't know if it.
I think that's the wrong color, babe. That's the old flooring, huh?
Most definitely the wrong color.
Still finding old tile? Oh man.
Alright, now I just want to raise this up so that I can slide it up underneath this roller. And so over here will be done, and then I just gotta do that edge over there.
What's
Oh, a bit.
beautiful. Beautiful out here.
And that's underneath this.
But that's not on that side though.
No, because I've got to do another row over there.
Over here. But here it's good, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna do up to here,
Oh, nice.
a row.
Nice. That looks awesome, baby. Wow. And I love the color of the cupboards with the floor. It's
Okay.
so neat.
So I'm just going to tighten this back down.
It's not going under that corner piece. Whoa, making the whole thing go up. That was weird.
I just was tightening it down to where it was. I've still got to do a corner.
Yeah.
Oh.
Anyways.
Yeah, I just got to cut long ways.
Alright, so the floor is finished. My lighting's not all that great in here right now. So we got chairs in, as you can see. But okay, look now. What are you trying to do there?
Floor's done.
You trying to look all sexy on the floor? But yeah, floor's done. Showing off our new steel doors. So
They're so cute.
anyways,
Let me get
Look at
out of your way so you can see the floor.
but you see you did a great job on the slide. It looks like just a solid piece of wood. It's really cool. And we're still kind of in construction zone here, but you did a great job. And into the bathroom. Up there. Bedroom. Awesome job. Like I said, we're still doing a bunch of stuff, construction stuff, putting in our laundry room pretty quick. But floor turned out great. We're very, very, very happy.
Very pleased with it. Wouldn't change a thing. It's great.
Aiden did a great job.
I love the little white flecks in it. Here and here.
Camera.
Yeah. And there's one right here in the really bright. I love the little white flakes.
What do you think?
I think it's awesome. We're gonna enjoy living here.
Yeah. Much better. It's getting really nice. We got some great curtains put up in between the cabin.
Ta-da!
Yeah. Which we found out right away that this is gonna be a lifesaver because it keeps the heat in.
Yeah, it blocks the heat from here that way, and this stays cool. So it's going to be really nice in the summer. Of course, the cat loves that it's a sauna room.
Right, exactly.
So he gets in there on his bed, and his tail's just going.
Right.
So I think our babies are going to enjoy it. We're going to enjoy it.
So I'm going to turn the camera around real quick. So I had to turn the camera around. I realized that nobody's seen me through this whole video. It's all been you. But
I was a camera hog this
you
video.
were the camera hog, the ham. What a day. It looks great. We have what, a few weeks to go before we get on the road full time.
Full time.
Sold the house. Hopefully that goes through.
Everybody, fingers
Fingers
crossed.
crossed. If not, somebody's gonna buy it. I'm not too
someone
worried
will
about
come.
it.
We're still going full time, whether it sells or not.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Apologize for the last few months of videos. The best we could do with COVID and what was going on, but it's getting to the end of this, and we're going to be getting back on the road. We're getting excited.
Very excited.
Yeah, please stick with us. Give us a thumbs up. Like our video.
Share.
Yeah. Subscribe. All that good stuff.
Give us feedback.
Have a great week, everybody. And until next week,
Have a divine life.